Wild turkeys are still hanging out near the Seekonk River. This is the infamous turkey with the limp. I've been watching it for 6 months. Its leg is much better, but it's still got a rather pronounced limp. But the fact is that, despite all the damage, it's been able to survive for at least 6 months, with limited mobility. That's pretty amazing. Occasionally, turkeys like to sit down and rest, and that's what this one was doing. Great blue heron was hiding in the marsh. Some half-decent pictures of an osprey in flight. I lost it when it finally got into land into the trees. Swift plucks bugs off the surface in normal speed and in slow motion. Note the reflection of the swift, and then check out these tadpoles breaching. First we'll go with normal speed, and we will end off with one in slow-mo.